Okay, so remember like 2 months ago when I said we were going to start a whole series talking about our products? Well, I'm going to start it now. Yes, I still have Christmas up. And it's over there too. Do not judge. The first one we're going to cover is our pecan butter. We have two different types of pecan butter: regular pecan butter and honey pecan butter. First of all, what is it? It is exactly like peanut butter, it's just made with pecans instead. Next one, what can I do with it? Literally anything you can do with peanut butter, you can do with pecan butter. As a matter of fact, on the website, I have a ton of different recipes using pecan butter. Last one, and probably the most important question you can ask: what's in it? It's really complicated, so hang with me. The sole ingredient in the pecan butter is pecans. The two ingredients in the honey pecan butter are, wait for it, honey and pecan.